The SusEx Pedal by BlackBT is an incredibly versatile Bluetooth-enabled tool that combines sustain and expression into a small, easily portable package. Let's connect the pedal to our Mac computer and set it up in Ableton Live. First, long press the power button on the pedal. Then, on your Mac, open up the Audio MIDI setup and go into the MIDI Studio. To access this, hit Command+2 or go to Window in the menu bar. Locate the Bluetooth icon at the top right of the MIDI Studio. You'll see the SusEx Pedal as a device there. In Ableton Live, open up Preferences and go to the Link, Tempo and MIDI tab. You'll see the SusEx Pedal in the MIDI ports section. Make sure to check the track and remote boxes. Assigning a parameter to the pedal is quite straightforward. Enter MIDI mapping mode in Ableton Live by hitting Command+M, select the effect parameter you'd like to use with the pedal, and then place your foot on top of it. Your SusEx pedal is now connected and ready to go.